This is a 2023 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This bike is in like new condition and has just a great two-tone paint job. The color of it is bright blue billiard and gray billiard. It's kind of a throwback retro color instead of all the metallic paint jobs that are out there. This kind of rolls back to the 70s when paint jobs were enamel and they didn't have metallic in them. And that's what this bike is. It's just a great two-tone. Being the 23 model, it has the 114 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8, made it to a 6-speed transmission, so it has all kinds of horsepower and torque. Nice big 6-gallon tank. So you have plenty of range. Nice big comfortable touring seat for you and your passenger, and the Harley Davidson adjustable backrest has been added. Of course, it has a security system, cruise control, heated grips. Now, this bike has only 1,508 original miles on the odometer, so it's not even remotely broke in. The only thing this bike really needs is a rider. Now, all the ride accessories have been added. It's got the Harley Chrome short arm highway pegs. It does have the backrest. And nice chrome 4.5-inch Rinehart Slipon Mufflers have been added. All the stuff most people will add to a brand new bike. Of course, being a limited model, it has a nice chrome luggage rack, LED lights in the TourPak, so you have a lot of visibility from the rear on this bike. Comes equipped with the GTS BOOM stereo system. It's AM/FM weather band, GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your phone into this system, or in this compartment you can put your phone or device and plug it in and it'll charge it. Cell phone holder has been added if you want to have it on the handlebars. The vented fairing. Being a limited model, it comes with the painted inner fairing. Just all the right stuff for a great touring bike. Oh, that red pinstriping just really sets off the blue billiard and the gray billiard. So it has the LED headlight, LED driving lights, light up the road at night, ABS brakes. Now, this Ultra Limited is equipped with the RDRS system, which has several variations of ABS, traction control, wheelie control, hill start assist, which comes in real handy in the hill country, tire pressure monitor system, just a gorgeous looking bike. I love this paint job. if you're in the market for a new 23 Ultra Limited touring bike, take a good look at this one. 1,500 miles, great two-tone, has all the right accessories already added, which will save you a couple $1,000s. Has the RDRS system. Now our prices here at Dream Cycles USA are out the door. We don't charge any of the mystery fees. There's no touring bike surcharge. There's no dock fee, title fee, setup fee, freight fee, none of that. Our prices are out the door. You can save yourself several $1,000s off a new one. For information on how to put this beautiful 23 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.